But right now at 4 o'clock, we've got a big development in the search for Nancy Guthrie, the 84-year-old mother of Today's Show co-host Savannah Guthrie. Our NBC5 investigative team has been following this case very closely, and Chuck Goudie joins us now in studio with the video that was released today by the FBI. Chuck.
Marion, these chilling videos of a shadowy intruder walking up to Nancy Guthrie's front door 10 days ago amount to the first big break in the case. The FBI had to gain access to these doorbell images, facing legal logistics and technology hurdles because Savannah Guthrie's mother didn't have a full security subscription that would actually record and save all the video. When the FBI managed to find and retrieve this video, it showed several things. This armed person is wearing a ski mask and apparently several layers of gloves. We'll slow down the video here now to give better views of this person at the front door, Mrs. Guthrie's front door, visible with a night camera enhancement. The wanted person is wearing a backpack that looks to be full, standing on the front landing early on Sunday, February 1st, before 2 a.m. Federal authorities today hoping somebody will recognize this person's walk, perhaps jacket style, shoes or backpack, and provide law enforcement with a name. The FBI has also released still pictures of the person frozen from the video. There's one picture that seems to be most important, and we've blown it up over here. This afternoon, federal authorities are likely looking in 3 different areas of this picture. There's the man or woman at the front door. We're not sure at this point. Down this sidewalk to the cul-de-sac, you don't see a vehicle, and neither does the FBI, raising questions about whether there was a getaway car being driven by somebody else out of frame, whether this person may have hiked through the desert. And then there are 2 areas on the person, the eyes. They're visible somewhat in this picture, but in other photos on the FBI website, there are tight shots. You see the eye shape. You also see an unusual eyebrow cut. Then right here, that is a gun in a holster. It's known as an appendix carry because it's on the right side of the waistband. The gun is covered up a little bit by the person's left hand, but it would be drawn this way by the right hand, leading authorities to believe this person is actually right-handed. These are all very important developments today, and really the first big motion forward in this case, guys.
Yeah, sounds like it. So a couple things here. Just wondering, Chuck, has the family seen this video? And if so, have you heard anything about their response?
Savannah put out a response almost immediately to this, saying that our mother is still alive. We haven't heard that in a couple of days, but it was definitive. Our mother's still alive, and she needs to come home.
All right. Yeah.